What's up, guys? It's another video from Auto. Today we're going to replace a battery. So this is the new battery and this is the old battery. In case you're wondering, this is a 2017 Nissan Maxima. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is take the negative cable off first. So let's go ahead. And then on this specific car, looks like I'm going to have to take this off, and then the hold down's off. So go ahead and proceed. Right, after you pull the hold down off, now you have this empty space for the battery. Now we're going to clean the terminals. This is a step where I would wear gloves because battery acid can burn your fingers. I bought some battery cleaner and some battery terminal protector and a battery terminal brush. Pick these up at any auto parts store. Alright, so position both terminals in this space, and then you're going to want to spray them both down pretty liberally and just let them sit for about 3 minutes. So after you're done spraying, it should look something like this. Make sure to turn the terminals over and get the underside as well. See, it also has corrosion on the bottom. So again, let them sit for about 3 minutes and then we'll come back and start brushing. Right, so after those 3 minutes, the bubbling will go down and now you're ready to brush and clean those battery terminals. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so now that we brushed, it should look something like this. Try to concentrate in the middle and get it clean. So now we're going to rinse it with some water. So I went ahead and rinsed it with water. If you have a plate underneath like this, just dump it out. Now some people may say, oh, it's wet and you got a computer right there. Well, you're driving in the rain, don't you? So your car does get wet when it rains. The engine bay does get wet. So don't be scared to spray water. Just don't go crazy. We're done cleaning. Let's prep for the battery. So try and get your negative battery cable to stay out of the way. Get your hold down to a spot where you can reach it after you drop the battery in, and try to get your positive cable out of the way as well, if it's even possible. And then go ahead and slowly lower the battery into this space. So now I'm going to remove these protectors, and now we're going to spray battery terminal protectors onto the terminals and then inside of the terminals as well. When installing the battery, make sure to keep the polarities in the same orientation as the old battery. Okay, now let's spray the battery terminal protector. So I went ahead and sprayed that down, got everything covered. First terminal to install is the positive terminal first. Alright, so I was unable to video the installation of the terminals. So when installing the positive terminal, make sure to push it all the way down and then tighten it. Try to get it as low as you possibly can to the battery. It goes with the negative terminal. Try to make it flush with the battery, just like this. And then for your hold downs, they don't need to be super tight, just enough so the battery doesn't move around when you're driving. And then one last tip, if you want to know if your battery terminal is tight enough, grab it here and try to wiggle it. Same for the positive. And if it doesn't move, you're good. Alright, so this was a battery install by me, Auto. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And if you want to see a video done on this 17 Maxima, let me know in the comment section.